Bilin.
Kasi mapamasyal kami dito. Kaya dahil sa mga temple at sa floating basta yun. Floating market, floating restaurant, ganyan.
Ganyan kapon, ingat niya.
A few moments later. So yan ang gusto mo kumain? Medyo ano na, medyo naglilimo.
Dali din matulog ka na mabuti. Nakagapaw pa.
Let me know. Okay? Okay. Text me or something.
Link to the Chinatown main road. But actually this is the part of the Chinatown. Because Chinatown community is a very large area. But the main street, yeah, from the small street, the white green there, straight a little bit, yeah.
Wala na, wala.